Niagara Falls, the Canadian side. Canadian side of Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Also the American side of Niagara Falls. Oh, it looks like a dragon or a dinosaur. Head, very small head. Its body, its tail. It's a dragon or a dinosaur. Also have cave bacon or cave ribbons. Cave bacon or cave ribbons.
That's neat. It's ribbed too.
That's actually so thin, if I pull it over there and shine the light behind it, the light will shine back through.
So it's translucent. Penetrates.
Cave bacon or cave ribbons.
Actually, it looks like some kind of seaweed or something growing.
We also have cave canopies. Cave canopies. They grew up the clay, kind of like a shelf. And the water washed the clay out from under them, leaving the canopies behind. So they're very heavy, but also very sturdy. They support themselves. Cave canopies. Looks like a shark fin.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a shark fin. Also the shark teeth. That is iron on there, that is not blood. Iron gives your blood the right color. Shark fin and the shark teeth. Now up ahead is the only man-made part of the cave. That's the exit. I cut that exit out in 1927. Then directed the water out through. Made a man-made lake. At the end of the lake, they put a dam. Try to keep the water at this level. Try to make sure it never floods. And along the dam, they put a building to create hydroelectricity from the water flowing out through. So this cave had electricity before most of the community. That electricity was generated from the water flowing out through. But before they cut out that exit, water used to drain underneath that rock over there. It drained under the rock, flow through the ground, come out on the other side to form Penn's Creek. Now Penn's Creek starts on the other side of the dam. You can see with the lights off, it's total darkness in here. If that other boat wasn't behind us. Our cave begins